look here. What else, right? So 160,000 from ClickFunnels, okay? Again, this is an income that was symbiotic to the core product that I'm selling. You get it? Now, what else? If I'm selling this to, let's say real estate, right, or network marketers, right, and how to build their business, how to build a list, they need two things. They need an autoresponder, which is this. Autoresponder will pay me. They need to be able to capture their list, which is ClickFunnels. That's what I recommended to them, right? Look, that's a combined $460,000 of money that I just got paid. It's like free money, right? In addition to the money I made from selling this product. Does that make sense? Now, what I can do is I can add additional income stream here, which I did, right? What else do these guys need? Like basic fundamental things. For example, tracking, right? In order for them to be able to track everything as a third-party tracking tool, little, picks and shovels is what I call them. Take a look at this right here, right? So we recommend ClickMagick. Okay, and ClickMagick, again, I just signed up as an affiliate. Didn't cost me a dime to sign up with them as an affiliate. I created a free affiliate account. And because I have incorporated ClickMagick as one of the symbiotic income streams that's supporting